Hey guys, it's your girl Babs from Uganda here in Kenya, working as a domestic work. So guys, today's video it's very different. My video it's coming from Karura Forest. That I was yes I am. It's coming from Karura Forest. So guys, I want to take you through what I did on the forest, what I captured, the view. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment and share. I know it's not going to be long, but I think I know that you take the moment to watch it. So guys, let's watch this video together until the end. As I was recording, we found some people. They came our friends. We became their friends. We walked with them. We talked. We laughed. We captured the moments. So, guys, they were with us through this journey and until the end of this journey. So we were chatting and laughing. So that's how our journey went. We walked, and I know there are some things I skipped. I did not capture, so that's why even by that time I was feeling so cold because I don't know if um it's a rain season. I don't know, but it was so cold. It was so cold. So there are some parts I skipped to record. So guys, I hope you bear with me. As we are walking, we find another friend. So another friend here, and that's a monkey you're seeing there. So we are taking it picture. We are talking to it. So yeah. Then after that, we started our journey. We moved, we talked, everything. We did everything, our friends. So there are some things I did not do. So that's how our our journey went. So I hope you enjoy my video, guys. While for us we are walking, some were using bikes, they were running. So you choose what you want. So for us we're walking, some are riding bikes, some are walking, such stuff. Here there's no like it's they just allow on the bikes. Yeah, I know some of you have been to those karura forest. As you saw my recording up, there's a monk there. What I was trying to capture that moment, there was a monk that side, so that's why my phone was up. As I walked, we reached to the where there is I think it's stairs. So I was trying to capture the moment we are going down the stairs. As for us who were continuing our journey, some they were coming back. Is it coming back? I think yeah, that's the. For us, we are just going. It's not like we have finished the journey. We are going. Some they were coming back. So we continued our journey. We walked. Now, right now, we are going to see that's a cave. I don't know what they do from there. I don't know. That was my first time to see. I don't know what the activity they do from that thing, so I don't know. So I wanted to capture the moment. I took long, so uh, I pictured it. Then after that, here there is we started taking a photo. I was show as I'm showing you around. uh, so I think those ones are going back. So I don't know. For us, we are coming. So for us, we are coming. Yeah, that's why I was in the cave. So I took a picture when I was in the cave. So now my journey for water started from here. I started taking pictures of water, you know. So it started from there. Uh, um, After that, yeah, the taking that's I wanted to go to the. So we are going to the waterfalls at the end of this video. Before the end, you will see waterfalls. So as you see, then I saw that um, that uh, that water. So me and my curiosity, I went there to see the force was coming from that water. So I went there near so that I can capture the moment. This water is coming from the waterfall. So I wanted to capture the moment. Maybe this is the last time I go to Karura Forest. So I wanted to take that moment to capture it. Yeah, so that's where my journey started from there for water. I started taking pictures. I started um, experiencing. So we have reached to the waterfalls. To the waterfalls, yes, we have reached. As you can see, people are taking pictures. I don't know even what happened to the phone, the way I was holding the phone. I don't know. But anyway, don't worry. I don't know. I don't. So I wanted to jump to go to the other side to capture the moment. I don't know what was happening by then. I don't know how I hold my phone. I don't know. Anyway, I think I was so excited about water. I love water. So uh, that's yeah, that's where it's a waterfall. I wanted to go near it so that I can take the pictures. There I took some pics, yeah, about the waterfall. There are so many people, so those are the pictures which I took. Yeah, I know I did not take so much videos and pictures. So guys, this is where now this is our end of my video. This time we are coming back from the walk. So now we have finished our goal, so we are going back home. So guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel, guys. Like my videos, share, comment, all that. So guys, bye, see you in another video.